Everyone, welcome to all of you in my English channel Elite English Club, and today I brought for class 12 second chapter of Vista's book The Tiger King. So let's start. Tiger King is written by Ramaswamy Iyer Krishnamurthy. Ramaswamy Iyer Krishnamurthy was born on 9 September 1899 and died on 5th December 1954. His pen name was Kalki. He was a Tamil writer, journalist, poet, critic, and Indian independence activist. He penned 120 short stories, 10 novelettes, 5 novels, 3 historical romances, editorial and political writings, and hundreds of films and music reviews. Now we will see introduction of the chapter. It is a story which is a satire on the rich and powerful king of the olden times. In order to prove the prophecies of the fortune teller wrong, the king of Pratibandpuram mindlessly kills 99 tigers, but the 100th one, the cause of the king's death, escapes his bullet. Ultimately, the king is killed by an inanimate tiger made of wood. Hence, the prophecy turns to be true, despite the king's efforts to prove it wrong. The Tiger King is the story of King Jong Bahadur of Pratibandpuram, a brave warrior whose death had been predicted when he was born. The chief astrologer had predicted as the royal child was born in the hour of the bull. The tiger being its enemy, death would come to be child by a tiger. The brave prince asked all tigers to beware of him. He came to be known as Tiger King. The prince became king at the age of 20 and considering killing a cow in self-defense to be lawful, went on a tiger killing spree. He was warned of danger from the 100th tiger that he encountered, as all the tigers in his kingdom had been killed by him, but still he had to kill more. He married into a state having a high population of tigers. When his killing reached 99, he desperately sought the next hunt. Fearing the king's harshness, the minister planted an old tiger in the forest for him to kill. The king fired at it, but the tiger escaped the bullet miraculously. The royal hunters feared the king and so did not inform him. Rather, they killed the beast themselves. The king was satisfied that he had evaded death and now celebrated his son's 3rd birthday. He got a wooden toy tiger as a gift for the prince. Although it was poorly done, the shopkeeper, fearing punishment under the rules of emergency, charged a high price. As both the king and his son were playing with the tiger, one of thin piece of wood that were erupting out of the window, wooden tiger, like feathers, passed the king's right hand. The wound became infectious, spread through his arm, and as he was being operated upon, he died. So ironically, the 100th tiger killed the tiger king and eventually took it revenge. So I hope you like the chapter. Keep watching and do not forget to comment in comment box. Thank you.